Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining sources. Route kicks, snares, hats, and overheads to a single drum bus so you can shape them together. First, low-cut anything under 30 to 60 Hz on individual tracks to remove inaudible rumble. This preserves headroom. On the bus, insert a linear phase EQ and mute bands before boosting. Use narrow cuts to tame resonances first, because removing problems is cleaner than boosting. Once done, you'll have a clear low end. Now shape the character. Sweep a narrow cue between 200 and 800 Hz to find boxy buildup and make surgical cuts. You want definition without thinness. Next, add a gentle, wide boost from 2 to 5 kHz to bring attack and clarity. Apply modest gain and listen in context. Then, if cymbals become brittle, reduce a bit above 8 kHz with a soft shelf. Make sure to toggle bypass often. Small moves add up and give the bus cohesion. Finish by balancing gain staging. Set the drum bus so peaks sit around -6 to -3 dB to leave room for compression and mastering. If the stereo image feels wide or unfocused, apply mid/side EQ to tame sides or boost center information. Finally, use gentle broad moves, avoid dramatic boosts, and reference against a track you trust. Troubleshooting tip. If elements disappear, solo parts to find masking, then carve small cuts on the bus or on individual tracks to restore clarity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.